Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Eng Teach. Today I am going to write 10 lines essay on Christmas. Now let's start. Number 1. Christmas is the biggest festival of Christians. Number 2. It is celebrated on 25th December every year. Number 3. God Jesus Christ was born on this day. Number 4. The festival tells us to love all and to be kind to all. Number 5. Everyone looks happy on this day. Number 6. It is also the greatest festival for the children. Number 7. They get many presents from elders and Santa Claus. Number 8. The most attractive part of this festival is Christmas tree. Number 9. People go to church to pray to God on this day. Number 10. It is believed that the God sacrificed himself for the sake of mankind. Thank you. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.